Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. A while ago, I made a video about more than, less than, as much as, basically the comparative. And I'll put a little reminder up there so you can see it if you want to watch it. This video is about how to translate the most and the least in French, and it's called a superlative. Now, just before we start, I want to mention briefly you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's full of tips on how to speak French like a native speaker. Let's start with the most, followed by an adjective, and that'll be le plus adjective. For instance, Jules est le plus grand de sa classe. Jules is the tallest of his class. Ce sont les voitures les plus chères. They're the most expensive cars. In the first sentence, if I wanted to say Jules is the tallest boy of his class, I would have had to say Jules est le garçon le plus grand de sa classe. Exactly like in the second one. You could also use the most with an adverb, and it's still le plus. For instance, c'est moi qui marche le plus lentement. I walk the slowest. Or as we say in French, it's me who walks the slowest. It's a very, very common structure in French. It's me who, it's her who, it's him who. Il faut finir le plus vite possible. You need to finish as soon as possible. Here, lentement and vite are adverbs because they describe the verb. They describe how the action is done. Now you can also use the most with a verb, and in French you'll have to put the verb plus and le plus afterwards. For instance, c'est ma fille qui travaille le plus dans la famille. It's my daughter who works the most in my family, or in the family. Ce film m'a plu le plus. I enjoyed this film the most. Or as we say literally, this film pleased me the most. And of course you can also use the most, le plus, with a noun. Apporte le plus de livres possible. Bring as many books as possible. You see, in English you phrase it in a very different way. You say as many as. We say bring the most books possible. And that's perfectly fine in French. C'est le supermarché où il y a le plus de monde. It's the supermarket that is the most crowded. Because actually in French we say it's the supermarket where there is the most crowd. Now let's have a look at how we translate the least. And it's le moins plus adjective. Just like you had before, except you substitute le plus for le moins. So to go back to exactly the same examples as before, Jules est le moins grand de sa classe. Jules is the least tall of his class. Of course, we would tend to say Jules est le plus petit de sa classe, but then again, if the kids are all tall and he's the least tall, then it would make sense to say Jules est le moins grand de sa classe. Ce sont les voitures les moins chères. They're the least expensive cars. Then of course you can have le moins with an adverb like we had before with le plus. C'est moi qui marche le moins lentement. I walk the least slowly. Il faut finir le moins vite possible. You need to finish as slowly as possible, or as we say in French, the least fast possible. Of course, you can also have le moins with a verb, so the verb comes first. C'est ma fille qui travaille le moins dans la famille. It's my daughter who works the least in my family. Ce film m'a plu le moins. I enjoyed this film the least. Then, of course, you can use le moins with a noun, like we did before. In that case, you put the de in the middle, because it's a quantity. Apporte le moins de livres possible. Bring as few books as possible. C'est le supermarché où il y a le moins de monde. It's the supermarket that is the least crowded. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it. Leave your questions in the comments if you have any. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt.